Hey YouTube, I'm back, and this is going to be my updated pickups video for my precious metals collection, and this is going to be all the stuff I've picked up in the last month or so, so let me show you what I got. I'm going to start off with these bank books up top. These are actually made in the 1950s and 60s, and these were a nice way to teach kids how to start saving money and eventually open up a bank account. This one from the 1950s was made by the First National Bank of Monroe, Wisconsin, and this one was obviously meant to hold dimes. $3 in dimes actually, and it has little slots that you could put the dimes in. And this one's in really great shape considering its age, so I really like this one. These two are from the First National Bank of Chicago, and these were made in the 1960s, and these were meant to hold quarters. And these two are in really rough shape. As you see, they're all bent up, have some tears, and have some staining in it. But they're still in pretty decent shape. I do plan on getting more of these. They're really great pieces of history, and each state and each bank had their own little bank books, so I plan on getting a few more of these. I think they're really nice. So, all right, moving on. I was actually inspired by another YouTuber to get one of these. This is minted in 1969, and it was struck by the Franklin Mint. This was actually meant to commemorate the first steps on the moon. This is solid sterling silver, so this is 925 silver, and this is slightly less than an ounce. As you see on the front, it shows Neil Armstrong climbing off the lunar lander onto the moon. And on the back, it actually has a representation of the plaque that was actually left on the moon, has the signatures of all the astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, and has the president at that time, which was Richard Nixon, and has a little bit of toning on the back. But this is a really nice piece. It actually comes complete in the original box. It also has a stand and the certificate of authenticity, so that's really nice. Moving on, I have two brown ikes, and the reason why they're called brown ikes is because it comes in these really tasteless wood grain boxes, which just reek of the 1970s. And these are the proof version of the Eisenhower dollars. So you see it has a nice mirror finish. And this one right here is a 1971 S, so this was 40% silver. This one right here is a 1973 S, and this is also 40% silver, but this is the key year for Eisenhower dollars, so this is the rarest of all of them. It actually has a cutout in the back, so you can actually see the back of the coin, so that's a nice little feature of the brown ikes. I also have one blue ike. The reason why they call them blue ikes is because it comes in this blue envelope. This is also a 1973, which is the key year for Eisenhower dollars, so this is the pretty rare one. And this one is the uncirculated version, so it doesn't have that mirror finish. And it also comes with the blue token, so that's pretty cool. Next, I have my first two graded coins. They're actually the same coin. The labels are different though. These are 2013 San Francisco silver Kennedy half dollars. This one's an early release, which has a picture of JFK on it. And this is a PF69 Ultra Cameo, so it has a nice mirror finish with the frosted Kennedy head on the front. And on the back has the eagle. Very nice coins. I plan on getting more of these. I really do like these. This one right here is just a standard PF69 Ultra Cameo 2013 S Kennedy half dollar. So the same thing as the one up top. The one up top was an early release. These are actually my first American Silver Eagles, and I think these have to be the most beautiful coins ever struck. I think these are just gorgeous coins. Same design as the Walking Liberty half dollars. This one's a 2011, and 1 ounce fine silver, $1. Gorgeous, gorgeous coins. So that's a 2011. I have a 2013, and I really like these holographic ones. This one is a 2003 holographic Silver Eagle. And this one is also a holographic one, but this one has more of a gold tint to it. I love these coins. I have to get more of these. These are just great. And this one's a 2004. All right, the next few things I'm going to show you are from the Franklin Mint. This one is a really nice bar of sterling silver. This is 750 grains of sterling silver, 925 silver. And this one was meant to commemorate the formation of the Republican Party in 1854. So it has a nice mirror finish on the back and has nice frosting on the front. And this thing is in great shape considering it was actually made in the 1970s. So this is really nice. This is part of the bicentennial collection. So that's a really nice bar of silver. The Franklin Mint is also known for making these collections of car silver bars, and as you know, I'm a huge car fan, and pretty much my entire life revolves around cars, so I had to get these. And these aren't just random cars. I actually picked out the cars I'd actually like to own in real life if I had the money. So these two up top are actually 2.5 grams of 925 sterling silver. And the first one is a 1934 Duesenberg Dual Cal Phaeton. Really nice bar of silver. The next one is a 1936 Horch Dual Windshield Phaeton. And if you don't know, Horch is the predecessor to Audi. And as you know, I'm a huge Audi fan. I actually own an Audi. The next 5 bars are each 1.4 grams of silver. Again, these are all cars I would really want to own in real life. So the first one is a 1916 Dodge. Has a little Dodge logo on the back. Next is a 1934 Chrysler Airflow, which is the first car to have an aerodynamic design. Has a Chrysler logo on the back. The next 3 bars are all Citroën. Citroën is a French car company, and I think they're like the quintessential French car. I just love their designs. The first one is a 1934 Citroën Traction Avant, which is the first front-wheel drive car. Next is a 1949 Citroën 2CV. And the final one, which I think is the quintessential French car, is a 1956 Citroën DS19, or as the French like to say, DS, which is a goddess in French. I have a bag of one troy ounce of silver shot from this is from Monarch Precious Metals, and this is just silver grain. This is really nice. I plan on getting more of these. This is 1 troy ounce. I got these from the Atlantis Mint. This one is a 5-gram poured bar of silver, says 999 on the back. Has a little skull and crossbones on it. I also got a 10-gram bar. Has 3 skull and crossbones, says 999 on it. Very nice pieces. It's like pirate treasure. I also got this from the Atlantis Mint. This is not a precious metal, but I just thought it was really cool. You really don't see that many of these. This is a 999 fine titanium 5 troy ounce bar. And I just think this is really cool. The only thing I have a gripe about against this is it seems like this is in really rough shape. This is brand new. This is exactly how I got it from the Atlantis Mint. It looks like they just took a bandsaw and just cut the sides of it. This is really sharp. I could actually cut myself on the sides of this. And that's my only gripe. It has some scratches on the front. But besides that, this is really cool. It's a bar of titanium, so that's really nice. All right, I got some interesting Eisenhower dollars. These are both clad. These have no precious metals in them, so this is not silver. This is a 1977 San Francisco proof Eisenhower. This is clad, so it's nickel and copper, but it's in really good condition. And this one's interesting. I actually got this from the bank. This is a 1974 Denver Eisenhower. This is just a regular clad coin, but somebody put a 24 karat gold plating on it, and it doesn't add anything to the value of it because it's such a minute amount of gold, but still pretty interesting that somebody would actually gold plate an Eisenhower dollar, especially one that doesn't have any silver in it, but whatever. I got my first peace dollar, a 1923 peace dollar. Very nice, 90% silver. I got 2 Barber coins. This is a 1907 New Orleans Barber half dollar. Pretty decent shape. clean coin, and a 1907 Denver Barber quarter. Very nice. Got another Walking Liberty, $50. I love these Walking Liberties. I think these are just gorgeous coins. I plan on getting tons more of these. Also got my first war nickel, and you can tell it's a war nickel because it has the little mint mark right above the dome on Monticello. So this is a Philadelphia war nickel from 1943. This is 35% silver. Also have a complete roll of Mercury dimes. So this is 55 Mercury dimes, and I also have an almost complete roll of Mercury dimes. This is 53 Mercury dimes, so I only need 2 more to complete that roll. Next, I got these really interesting copper bullets. These are actual bullion. These are solid copper in the shape of a 45 ACP bullet. It actually says PM. These are brand new from Provident Metal. And they say PM 999 1 ounce Cu, which is on the periodic table. That's copper. And these are really nice. They look exactly like a 45 ACP. I got 2 of them. And I actually have, as for a reference, I have a real 45 ACP bullet. This is a 230 grain PDX-1 Winchester. And this is the predecessor to the infamous Black Talon. This is a hollow point. So as you see, it's an almost identical representation. Obviously, would be a full metal jacket. This is a hollow point. So this one's slightly shorter, but as you see, it pretty much looks exactly like a real 45 bullet, which is my caliber of choice. So that's really nice. And the crown jewel of my collection, I typically want to stick with only American coins. That's just my preference. I just prefer that. The only reason I got this is because I was born and raised in Florida, and I just really like it. This is from the New Zealand Mint. And this is actually a really rare coin, or it's actually a round because it's not a real tender. Actually, it might be real tender, I'm not sure. But comes in this really nice alligator skin or fake alligator skin box. And they only minted 2,500 of these, so these are actually fairly rare. So this is number 229 out of 2,500. So it's 999 fine silver, gold gilded, 1 troy ounce from the New Zealand Mint. And it comes in this really nifty water box. So there's actually water in here. So that's pretty cool. And let me take it out. It's putting up a fight. Oh, there it goes. So as you see, it says American Reptile Florida Gator, alligator, and it's gold, gilded. It says right here, fine silver 999 1 ounce. And this is a gorgeous coin. On the back it has Queen Elizabeth, $2, so I guess it is legal tender if you're a madman and you actually want to use this as real money. And 2012, and I guess that's New Zealand. So yeah, this is a beautiful coin, and these are really rare, so I'm really happy to have gotten one of these. And that's it. Thanks for watching.